Today we're going to focus on updating your Blackboard profile so that you can use all of the Blackboard tools available to us. The first thing that I'd like for you to do is to go up to your name and you'll see the My Places bar, and under My Places what you're going to do is to go to your personal information. The first thing I'd like you to do under your personal information is to make sure that your Blackboard account shows your first and last name, your email, and your student ID. A lot of students like to also include their cell phone number so that they can receive texts, and if you would like to do that, you can put your cell phone number here in the mobile phone space, and then I can send you text of announcements and changes in schedules. Once you've finished your personal information, the next thing that you're going to do is to make sure that you've changed your personal places. And this is where you're going to display a picture of yourself. I'd like for you to upload a picture of yourself that does show just you, so that when we look at your blogs, when we look at other of our interactive pieces, we can see your picture and establish a sense of community a little bit more quickly. Now, one thing that you might want to do so that under your places you only see the classes that you're using this year is to change this so that it shows only the classes that you visited in the last 60 days. That way you don't have to see your classes from last year or last semester. And you can do the same thing with the organizations that you have on there that have Blackboard pages as well. Once you've updated these areas, make sure that you hit the Submit button in the top right-hand corner. And the last thing that I want you to do is to go to, oops, sorry about that, not your personal settings. Instead, let's go to your privacy options. We would like for you to be able to email one another. No one else has to see your address or your mobile phone information. So make sure that the information that you do not want others to see is unchecked, and I do want you to make sure that your information is in the user directory. Now, I would like for students to be able to email me, and so I'm going to go ahead and choose those classes where students can email me, and you'll want to do that as well for the classes in which you're currently enrolled. Additionally, please make sure that you have clicked on your inclusion in our class roster. And so click on the classes that you are currently taking this semester so that you can be seen in those class lot rosters. Don't forget when you're finished to hit the Submit button. And once you have made those changes in your personal information, you are finished with tonight's assignment.